If you are trading OKX Futures and you keep getting liquidated, this video might save you months of pain. Because the truth is, 99% of people lose money in crypto futures not because they lack knowledge, but because they are trading futures the wrong way. And today I will show you how to trade crypto futures on OKX with a simple, realistic system that focuses on survival first, profit second. In this video, you will learn how to trade OKX futures step by step without overcomplicated indicators, how to avoid the most common mistakes that wipe out accounts, and how to think like a disciplined futures trader instead of a gambler. This is not another copy-paste OKX futures trading tutorial. This is a practical guide based on real trading behavior. Make sure you watch until the end, because I will also share how you can reduce trading fees and get a welcome bonus when you register. OKX is one of the most popular crypto exchanges in the world, especially for futures trading. It offers deep liquidity, competitive fees, and a wide range of perpetual futures pairs. Many traders choose OKX because it allows both beginners and experienced traders to trade crypto futures with flexible leverage and advanced order types. But here is the problem. Having access to powerful tools does not mean you know how to use them properly. And this is exactly where most OKX futures traders fail. Let me be very clear. Most people do not lose money in futures because they do not know how to place an order. They lose because they trade without a system. They chase price, they increase leverage after losses, they do not use stop loss, and they trade based on emotions instead of rules. Many OKX futures trading tutorials teach you where to click, but they do not teach you how to think. Futures trading is not about predicting price. It is about managing risk and staying alive long enough for probability to work in your favor. If you want to learn how to trade crypto futures properly, you must change your mindset first. Futures are not a get-rich-quick tool. They are a risk management game. Your goal is not to win every trade. Your goal is to control losses and let winners pay for losers. Once you understand this, futures become much less scary and much more controllable. Before you place your first futures trade on OKX, you need to set things up correctly. First, you need a verified OKX account with futures enabled. If you register using the referral code 50REFUND, you can get up to 20% fee rebate on futures and spot trading, plus a welcome bonus of up to $10,000. I will leave the registration link and the referral code in the video description below. After your account is ready, you need to fund it responsibly. Do not deposit money you cannot afford to lose. This sounds obvious, but most people ignore it. Futures trading already involves leverage. You do not need emotional leverage on top of financial leverage. When trading OKX futures, there are only three things you must understand clearly: entry, stop loss, and take profit. Entry is where you enter the trade. Stop loss is where you admit you are wrong. Take profit is where you lock in gains. If you place a trade without a stop loss, you are not trading, you are gambling. Professional traders decide their stop loss before they even enter the trade. This single habit separates consistent traders from blown accounts. Here is a simple rule you can follow as a beginner. Risk a small fixed percentage per trade and never increase it to recover losses. Do not use high leverage just because it is available. High leverage does not mean high profit, it means faster liquidation. Low leverage with good risk management keeps you in the game. Remember, your first goal is not to make money. Your first goal is to not lose everything. Let me walk you through a simple futures trade example so you understand how this works in real life. Before entering the trade, the first thing I decide is where I am wrong. That level becomes my stop loss. Then I look for a logical entry based on structure, not emotions. Finally, I set a take profit that is larger than my risk. This way, even if I lose more trades than I win, I can still be profitable over time. This is how professional traders approach crypto futures. Not by guessing direction, but by controlling outcomes. Many traders actually analyze the market correctly, but they still lose money. The reason is simple. They overtrade, they increase position size after a loss, or they remove their stop loss because they believe the market will come back. Futures do not forgive emotional decisions. One bad habit repeated a few times is enough to wipe out weeks or months of progress. This is why discipline matters more than strategy when trading crypto futures. One of the biggest mistakes is using high leverage just because OKX allows it. Another common mistake is entering trades without a clear invalidation point. Many traders also switch strategies every few days, which makes it impossible to improve. And finally, trading while stressed, tired, or emotional is one of the fastest ways to lose money. If you avoid just these mistakes, you are already ahead of most futures traders. Consistency comes from simplicity. Trade fewer setups, not more. Follow the same risk rules on every trade. Accept losses as part of the game instead of fighting them. The goal is not to feel smart, the goal is to be consistent. When you approach OKX Futures trading this way, results become much more stable and predictable over time. If you are new to futures, start small and focus on learning, not earning. Treat your early trades as tuition, not income. Review your trades, learn from mistakes, and slowly build confidence. Futures trading rewards patience and punishes ego. If you respect risk, the market will give you opportunities. If you disrespect it, the market will take everything back. If you want to start trading OKX Futures the right way, check the link in the description and register using the referral code 50REFUND. With this code, you can get up to 20% fee rebate on futures and spot trading, plus a welcome bonus of up to $10,000. This alone can save you a significant amount in fees over time. I also left a free beginner checklist in the description to help you avoid common mistakes when trading crypto futures. If this video helped you understand how to trade crypto futures on OKX more clearly, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I will continue sharing practical trading guides, real examples, and honest lessons from futures trading. Remember, survival comes first, profits come later. I will see you in the next video.